Hope everybody's good. Welcome back to another video. Daily challenge crossword done. Today, Wednesday, February 28th, Metro. I'm gonna explain as I go. Alright, let's go. Start somewhere certain. One down, perspire, sweat. Right, 7 across, clothes, closet, wardrobe. Okay, 2 down, to coach, train. Three down, plant type. There's a lot of plants. Excuse me. Could be iris, that's a guess, but I won't put it in just yet. 10 across, star sign, Aries. That's come up a few times, as I explained the other day. 5 letters for a star sign. With some letters you can rule out many with certainty, or all of them except Aries. Okay, I'll go back. Plant type, iris. Okay, 11 down. Chest bone, 3 letters, rib. That would be a good place to start if you're beginning. 14 across. Lilliputian, tiny. Alright, 12 down. Eagle's nest, eerie. E-Y-R-I-E. This is a word I would never have known unless I did crosswords. It comes up often. 17 across, bring up, rear. Okay, 15 down, expression of disgust, 3 letters. Okay, we'll see, it'll come soon, hopefully. 4 down, oyster's gem, pearl. Okay, 14 across, commendation, beginning of P, 4 letters. Praise, P-R-A. 5 down, off, beginning with A, away. Alright, we'll put in praise, P-R-A-I-S-E, and off, away. 8 across, counting frame, abacus. This has come up, comes up often. 9 down, mayhem, bedlam, B-E-D. Alright, 13 across, quarry, the Dre. 13 down, ally, companion. Alright, don't know. 15 across, hairless, bald. Okay, it's 15 down, expression of disgust, bah. Could have been boo, maybe. 18 down, exit. I think that's egress, G-R-E-S-S. Okay, 21 across, terrifying dream, 9 letters, nightmare. N-I-G-8, oh, I've spelled that wrong, G-H-T, oh, what happened there? Messed it up. Anyway, night, M-A-R-E. Okay, bah, expression of disgust, appropriate. 18 down, exit. Right, I'll go egress, E-G-R-E-S-S. A 27 across, water jug, Weir, W-E-R. Another word I would never have known unless I did crosswords. It comes up all the time. 23 across. Active or energetic person. Duo, I think. D-O. 21 down. Signal agreement. Nod. Okay, so yeah, we'll go 23 across. Duo. Active person. 26 across. Oh no, I've done it. What have I done? Signal agreement. Nod. Wow. It's two errors. Not good. So 26 across. Young goat. Kid. Getting ahead of myself. 23 down. Straightforward. Direct. So a good way to avoid mistakes like this is cross-checking, as I've demonstrated, or as I will now. 32 across. Operator. So user, I think, U-S-E-R. So let's check 32 down. A strong impulse. Urge. And then user. Excuse me. 34 across. Funeral car. Hearse. Okay, 28 down. Unwelcome plants. Weeds. 36 across. Strain. Emphasis. Stress. Okay, 24 across. Title. Name. N-A. 22 down. Spoil. Mar. Another one. 20 down. Stadium. Arena. Alright, we'll go back to 13 across. I think it was Dre, or maybe it's no, it's not it's Dre, I'm sure. So here I'll write it across so I can see what it looks like. So B something D something A. B D A. B D A. Line down. Mid, oh, Mayhem Bedlam, yeah. So that wasn't even the one I needed. A-R-T something E-R. $13 down. Oh, partner. I like companion, partner. So it was Prey, not Dre. Yeah, well, that's good to cross check. And that's name. 19 across. Den. Layer. This came up yesterday, I think. Animals den and no, animals layer, and the answer was den. Here's den, answer's layer. 16 down. Falsehood. Lie. When it's 3 letters and it's a clue, it's either going to be lie or fib, so just good to check the letters if you have one of the first or last. 16 across. Tennis shot. Lob. Alright, 6 down. Dazed state. Stupor. 29 across. Ennui. Nail. That's French. Nail. 25 down. Hairpiece. Wig. Okay, 33 across. Emblem. Badge. 33 down. Gaffer. Boss. Any football fans know the gaffer. Badge. D-G-E. 30 down. Confuse. Addle. Another crossword word. You don't really, well, you hear it sometimes, but not that often. 31 down. Prize. Lever. Okay, last one. 35 across. Become liquid. Dissolve. Okay, that's it. Crossword done. Bit messy. That's why you should use pencil and cross check, but you know, we got it right in the end. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.